everyone, I am Mrs. Pooja teaching English, SST and ICT in Model English School from 6th. In English, we focus on comprehension, grammar, vocabulary, writing skill, communication skill, etc. In SST, from Stone Age to today's sustainable development, conservation of resources, local government bodies, each and every concept is emphasized. In ICT, it is mine and students' favorite tool, technology. Here we teach students digital literacy, practical knowledge is given, coding, decoding and emphasis is given that each and every student should gain practical knowledge. This is the place where the tech journey begins and I am a part of it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Arpit Singh Sethi, serving as a maths tutor in Model English School. My hobby is to solve maths problem. I'm lucky to be a part of Model English School.
Hi, I'm Ms. Pranali Wankere, an English teacher at Model English School. I work with students from grade 5 and 6, helping them build their self-confidence in reading and communication, whether it's exploring classic literature or crafting their own ideas. I believe in language opens door and I'm here to help them work through. Thank you.
मी सारिका मॉडेल इंग्लिश स्कूलमध्ये मी इयत्ता 4वी ते 6वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना मराठी शिकवतो. जसे की आपण जाणतो की सध्या इंग्रजी भाषा ही काळाची गरज आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांना जर त्यांचा शैक्षणिक विकास साधायचा असेल तर त्यांना या भाषेवर प्रभुत्व असणे गरजेचे आहे आणि ते बरोबरही आहे. पण आपण ज्या महाराष्ट्रात राहतो त्या महाराष्ट्राची मातृभाषा मराठी. ती मराठी जिला हजारो वर्षांचा इतिहास लाभला आहे. ती मराठी जिला अभिजात भाषा म्हणून गौरवण्यात आलेले आहे. अशा मराठीबद्दल महाराष्ट्रातल्या प्रत्येक मुलाला, प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला योग्य माहिती असणे, या मराठीबद्दल महत्त्व असणे, या मराठी भाषेबद्दल प्राथमिक ज्ञान असणे खरंच खूप गरजेचे आहे. आणि ही अशी ही सुंदर मराठी भाषा मी विद्यार्थ्यांना लिहायला, वाचायला आणि बोलायला शिकवते आणि त्याच्यात माझा छोटासा वाटा आहे याचा मला खरंच खूप अभिमान आहे. धन्यवाद.
Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Vijaya Murthy. I am happy to be a teacher in preschool. I love playing, singing and having fun while we learn together. I have been a teacher for 14 years and I really enjoy helping kids to learn new things. In our classroom, we are doing lots of activities. Children are happy and safe when they are with me.
नमस्ते, मैं मिसेस कीर्ति लचके मॉडल इंग्लिश स्कूल में हिंदी की शिक्षिका हूँ. मैं कक्षा 3री और 4थी कक्षा के छात्रों को हमारी भाषा और साहित्य की समृद्धि से जोड़ने का प्रयास करती हूँ. व्याकरण हो, कविता हो या फिर रचनात्मक लेखन, हिंदी कक्षा वह जगह है जहाँ छात्रा को भाषा से प्रेम पनपता है और मुझे गर्व है कि मैं इसे सहेजने में अपना सहयोग देती हूँ. धन्यवाद.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Yogita Rajpal, teaching science since 2008 at Modern English School. I guide children from 4th to 6th by taking good lectures and full of activities and experiment in our science lab. I am very happy to be a part of a Modern English School. Thank you.
I am Mrs. Shaila, math teacher at Model English School. I focus mainly to give the practical knowledge to the students. Actually, math is not a learning subject, it's all about understanding. Students learn and enjoy math period a lot. Thank you.
Myself, Mrs. Sanmeet Kochuk, an English and grammar teacher for grade 3rd and 4th. My lessons focus on practical communication, vocabulary building and fluency development. I create structured sessions to help learners speak English naturally and fluently.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Bhavna Nevaskar, the teacher of Model English School. In my class, the children's experience, play-based learning activity, fun and later interaction. I committed to this tiny toss learning activity.
मी संजय नानासाहेब बागडे मॉडर्न इंग्लिश स्कूलमध्ये गेल्या 17 वर्षापासून क्रीडा शिक्षकाचं काम करत आहे. या संस्थेने मला सेवा करण्याची जी संधी दिली त्याबद्दल मी संस्थेचे आणि शाळेचे मनापासून आभारी आहे. धन्यवाद.
Hello everyone, hi, I'm Jayashree, computer teacher at Model English School. I guide students from grade 1 to 5 in discovering basics about technology. The computer lab is where their curiosity meets creativity, and I'm proud to be the part of their digital business. Thank you.
Hi, I am Tanya Talreja, maths teacher at Model English School, Shirapur. I work with students for grade 3rd and 4th to help them to discover patterns, logic, and beauty behind the numbers. In every equation and problems, I see an opportunity to build critical thinking, and I am proud to be the part of their mathematical journey. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Mrs. Archana, Science Maths teacher at Model English School, teaching to grade 4 to 7, covering the topics Physics, Biology, Chemistry and Environmental Studies. In our science lab, the student studies various types of the experiments, observations and discoveries. They may ask many questions during the experiments. My aim is to make the science meaningful, fun and connect the student to the real world. Thank you to be a part of this institute.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम बीना करीर है। मैं एक हिंदी अध्यापिका के रूप में पिछले 30 वर्षों से मॉडल इंग्लिश स्कूल में कार्यरत हूँ। मुझे हिंदी भाषा से विशेष लगाव है। मेरा यह सौभाग्य है कि समृद्ध भाषा का ज्ञान कक्षा 5 से 10 के विद्यार्थियों तक पहुँचाने का कार्य करती हूँ और इसी भाषा के माध्यम से छात्रों को नैतिक शिक्षा तथा सांस्कृतिक मूल्यों से भी जोड़ने का प्रयास करती हूँ तथा उनकी इस भाषा यात्रा का हिस्सा होने पर मुझे गर्व है। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Sneha, the mathematics teacher at Model English School. Here at MES, we don't just teach maths as a subject, but we involve children with playing with numbers, finding fun tricks in calendars, or cracking puzzles. My classroom is all about activity-based learning. Join me on this journey to make maths fun and engaging, where numbers come alive and learning becomes fun for the kids. At MES, maths is not just a subject, but an experience. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मनीषा सांबारे। मैं मॉडल इंग्लिश स्कूल में 7वीं से 10वीं तक हिंदी पढ़ाती हूँ। एक शिक्षक के रूप में मेरा मानना है कि शिक्षा केवल ज्ञान प्रदान करने तक सीमित नहीं है। मेरा उद्देश्य छात्रों को ज्ञान के साथ साथ जीवन के मूल्य और नैतिकता की शिक्षा देना है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे छात्र न केवल पढ़ाई में उत्कृष्ट हो बल्कि वे अच्छे इंसान भी बने। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Gauri, teacher from Model English School, Serampur. I am teaching to pre-primary section. My qualification is MA BEd in English. I am very grateful to Model English School who has given me a chance to be a teacher in this school. I love teaching little champs and even I like to spend time with them all.
Hello everyone, this is Mr. Pradhan FC. My educational qualification is MA English BEd. I have about 12 years experience of actual work in this field. I teach English from 8th to 10th standard. This year, we are going to learn various writing skills such as letter writing, story writing, report writing and speech writing. We are also going to learn various grammatical activities with various kinds of tricks which you might have not seen in any textbook. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Kanchan Babari, maths teacher in Model English School. I am passionate about making math fun and accessible for all students. With 10 years experience, I have seen how math can be a powerful tool for problem solving and critical thinking. Let's work together to make math an enjoyable and rewarding experience. Thank you for.
नमस्कार, मी सुनीता लक्ष्मण सुतार मॉडेल इंग्लिश स्कूलमध्ये मराठी विषय शिक्षिका म्हणून गेली 14 वर्षापासून कार्यरत आहे. इयत्ता 5वी ते 10वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना आपल्या मायभाषेचे सौंदर्य समजावून सांगण्याचं काम मी करते. गोष्टी, कविता, व्याकरण, उपयोजित लेखन यांच्या माध्यमातून मी त्यांना आपल्या संस्कृतीशी जोडते आणि त्यांच्या भाषिक प्रवासाचा एक भाग असल्याचा मला सार्थ अभिमान आहे. धन्यवाद.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Bhagishan Sirte, assistant teacher of preschools in Model English. Children are like great female, whatever for something makes an impression. As a preschool teacher, my goal is to create an engaging environment that fosters social, emotional and cognitive development.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Wak Ray, working as science teacher in Model English School. I am teaching here from grade 7 to 10, helping the students to have the wonderful concepts, understand the wonderful concepts of physics, chemistry, and biology by performing hand-on experiments and real-life discoveries. The science lab is the place where curiosity begins and it comes alive. And I'm proud to have that curiosity every day, to spark that curiosity in the students. Thank you.
मेरा नाम अरुणा कुबरे है। मैं कक्षा पहली और दूसरी कक्षा के छात्राओं को हिंदी पढ़ाती हूँ। हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा होने के नाते हमें जोड़ने का कार्य करती है। यह केवल एक विषय नहीं बल्कि भावों को व्यक्त करने का एक सशक्त माध्यम है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि बच्चे हिंदी को बड़ी आत्मीयता से सीखे और हिंदी भाषा के माध्यम रूप से हमें अपने विचार प्रभावी रूप से व्यक्त कर सके।
I am your social studies and science teacher from class up to 6th standard. I love teaching with stories, activities and fun learning. And I'm sure you will enjoy and we will learn a lot together. Thank you everyone.
I am Lakshmi Khilari, an English teacher from Model English School, and I am working with students of 1st and 2nd. I am really excited to be here and to have the opportunity to teach and learn with all of you. English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's all about expressing your thoughts, understanding the world better through literature, and building communication skills that will help you in every part of life. I look forward to making our class interactive, fun, and meaningful. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Sarodev Shah, a teacher of preschool. My qualification is MA B.Ed in English. I have been working here since 15 years in Model English School.